Yeah, boy, this headhunter's finest. Everybody done heard about the shotgun riding shotgun in the front seat with you. Done heard about the crossbow, running shotgun and running in the front seat with you. But I bet you, the headhunter is the first one y'all hear about. The coon riding shotgun. Free ride to Plant City. Look at that. No cage, no nothing. Boy, I know my mama pray for me every day. Cause the things I do for these animals and to service my people is outrageous. But nobody can do it better than the headhunter. And let me tell y'all something. I've been playing with coons, gators, and hogs for a very long time. I do not advise y'all to do the stuff I do unless you have somebody experienced with you. But like I say, that coon getting a free ride to play. Look at him. Just chilling. He ain't chilling, he chilling.